Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. I'm releasing a bunch of stuff this week. We took a week off last week and are doing Misfit Kit pulls. They're going to start filling those today, which is Monday, and these will be up Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first is we do have 10 new doodles. This will be 101 through 110 and it'll be on a new listing. I'll keep both of them in the new releases section. So this one has some paint brushes and also some paint palettes. These I think both were on the Dreamer collection. There are some really cute little cinnamon rolls, some nail polish bottles. Nick is FaceTiming me. Some little wax pots, some bath bombs, some roses, some gifts, some fuzzy slippers, and then also some little like speech bubbles with hearts, so maybe like likes, we'll call them likes. Then we have this week's foil bundle, which is a magenta purple. What color is this? Is this magenta? Star format, and I think it's super pretty. I think it'll be really good for like Halloween or summer. So you have the 2 pages with the full boxes and the headers, the 2 pages with the bougie boxes, stuck, the icons and the scripts, and then so pretty, the fancy headers, the bottom washi, the deco, and then the date numbers, and then you also, if you want to add on the matte sampler there, it's so cute. Then I heard y'all need some monthlies, so I have 3 here. These were basically all requested by Kirsten, I believe. I think she requested these 2, and then I was like, all right, well, I'm in the monthly mood, so I'm going to do this one as well. So she said we needed more like summer ones, so I did, and this is called Beach Day. So these are in the Aura Estelle A5 wide size along with the B6. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip through these. Super cute, really pretty for summer. And then here is the B6 kit. Then Kirsten also requested this, which was the I Do kit, which is perfect for weddings, summer. I think this is like any time though, because it kind of has the fall, like the cooler winter colors almost. Just kind of overall really pretty and romantic. The B6 version of that one. And then I thought this one would be cute as a monthly as well, and this is Magical 50th. And I thought this turned out really cool with having the castle here, and then you have Epcot, Animal Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios like on the bottom. I don't know, I just thought it would look neat. So I think this would be really cute if you're planning on maybe marking the 50th in October, or if you're going. That is amazing. And again, also comes in the B6 format. Then I have 3 collections this week. I have 2 reformats and then a new exclusive art set that I've been wanting to release. So this one is called How Far I'll Go, and I've been working on redoing princess kits and like magical inspired kits. And you guys seem to love the Ariel one, so I figured let's do some Moana vibes, and I think it turned out so cute. So perfect for summer. I think a perfect like August kit. It's perfect, or if you want to save it for next year for like March, I think it's super cute as well. So these are the full boxes. I just think they're so cute. So this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then you have an extra full box here and also here. I thought this would be perfect for a quote box, or just like a really pretty, just like ocean vibes, because that's totally Moana. And then you also have like the Plannerception box. I love these colors. You have your deco page, your glitter headers, your half boxes, the solid labels, pattern labels, and then the bottom washi is a really pretty like leaf and flower pattern. And then the extra full box is the tall box version of the Moana. So love that. The mini kit here. So let's go ahead and just flip through this in case you're not familiar with the mini kit format. It comes with the same freebie. You have the full boxes, the deco page, glitter headers, the mini kit page, and the bottom washi. And then there are add-on options for this kit. There is the 15 millimeter strip, the label sampler, as well as the extra fashion add-ons. Just a cute like girl with a surfboard. Then I have 2 reformats that were really requested. So the first one here is called Baby Magic, which is the kit I used for when I brought Theo home. I did format the boxes. It also does come in a mini kit. So let's go through this really quick. I love this kit. It's so pretty. And it was requested to bring back. I don't have a lot of baby kits in the shop currently, so I think it's a cute one to have. So again, I did reformat the boxes, and it does come with extra baby boxes, which is super cute, and I'm obsessed with this. I might use it again one day, for if my friend has a baby or something like that, but it's so cute. This would also be a cute box for a quote box, and you have the faux, pastel-y silver hollow-y glitter throughout. It's just such a pretty kit. Love it. And there is the bottom washi. You might hear my garage open, but Nick is coming home with food. Here is the fam option. So you have fam 1, 2, yeah, you're gonna be able to hear that, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then there is also add-on options for the 15 millimeter strip and the label sampler. Okay, and last but not least, someone asked when this was being brought back, and because we've been doing a lot of reformats in the schedule, I decided to go ahead and pop this in because it has been highly requested to bring back. And this is Biggest Fan, which again, I also did reformat the boxes and everything. So let's go ahead and go through this. So you have your full boxes here, which are so pretty. I think, I don't toot my own horn, but I feel like every time a reformat, it always looks better. They were always good to begin with, but I just feel like same art, but who's this? It's super cute. So I am obsessed with this. I don't actually even think I used this kit because I haven't been to anything sporting related or done anything sporty since, but it's so cute and I love the colors. I think this would be a really good opportunity to bring in a fun foil or even a black foil, or just stick a sparkly hollow if you don't want to do fun. But I just think it's a really cute kit and a fun theme. I love the black cloud there, and I love these colors. I think they're super pretty and fun and bright. And these patterns are super fun too. You have the concession stand background as the washi. This is the add-on 15 millimeter strip, which I think would look so fun. If you did a fun foil or a sparkly hollow, it would really pop. And then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is some black labels, which I thought would really pop. Maybe on the sidebar would be super cute. So love that. It also does come in a mini kit, and there are options if you want to add on, like I said, the 15 millimeter strip, the label sampler, and then the fashion options as well are super cute. So that is everything for this week. I wanted to make sure it was a stacked week for y'all since we didn't really have a traditional release last week, but I will be back on my normal schedule now. So I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. They'll be up Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I'm sorry this video is up a little bit late as well, but I will talk to you guys soon, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.